From the center of the universe, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, this is the SDM Show with your host, Rob Cairns. The SDM Show focuses on business, life, productivity, digital marketing, WordPress, and more. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the show. Here is Rob.
Hey everybody, I'm Rob Cairns. I'm the founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing. In this podcast, I talk about the world of security and why it's a bit of a mess, especially with what's going on in the Ukraine. Grab a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy this podcast. Hey everybody, Rob here again. In today's podcast, I want to talk about the state of WordPress security and what's going on in the world and the impacts on that's happening. So we saw an increase in intake of security issues when COVID started 2.5 years ago. And those issues kind of got worse. And now with Russia invading the Ukraine, we've seen even more of an intake. Things like DDoS, denial of service attacks, plugin vulnerabilities, and more. This past week, it came out that Freemiss had major issues. And that wasn't due to the Ukraine intake. It was just something that was spotted. The result, over 400 compromised plugins. Now, I hate to get on the high horse of preaching, but I'm going to. You can no longer do it yourself, your security. It just doesn't work that way. The reality of it is, how would a person DIYing it have known about the Freemiss? How would they have been in tune, except for based on what the media said that cyber attacks have gone up and most people don't pay attention? But professionals have your business's backs. They know what to do. They live and breathe security. I know I certainly do. And we know how to handle and remediate problems. Not only that, we also know about things like strong passwords and certainly two-factor authentications and backups. And how many times have I had to say your backup is only good as the ability to restore your backup? Many people don't test their backups. We need to get out of this mode and start doing proper security practices. The world is making it tough enough with things like all these DDoS attacks due to Russian hackers, Ukrainian hackers, and more. And there's going to be collateral damage. There's no question. I've already seen an uptake in the number of DDoS attacks on my websites. And remember, good hosting helps with that. Really investigate the type of hosting that you use and that you choose to use, the type of plan you're on. Please remember that your hosting company is your partner in business, not just somebody you pay. So keep these things in mind and take care of yourself. And take care of yourself now, because if you don't, there's going to be problems. I would strongly suggest, even if you decide to DIY or maintain your own site, you get on a professional security care plan. Think of it as an insurance policy. They will do all the work for you. And with the changing state of the world and the mess we're in right now, you need a security professional in your back pocket. You need somebody who's competent, somebody who can do it, and frankly, somebody who wants to help. And what I'll tell anybody, if you would like some help, reach out to me in a DM and we'll book some time and we'll have a chat. Would love to help you out with your security. But please take this seriously, because if you don't now, you never will. Rob Cairns, CEO and Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing, talking all things security today. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now. Thank you for listening to this edition of the SDM Show. The SDM Show is brought to you by Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing. For more information about Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing, go to stunningdigitalmarketing.info. From here, you can connect to us on social media, go to our website, and even go to the podcast to subscribe. This podcast is dedicated to my late father, Bruce Cairns. Dad, I miss you very much. Keep your feet on the ground, keep reaching for the stars, make your business succeed.